Hello all and welcome to the Android Security and Exploitation training video series by Pentester Academy. My name is Aditya and in this particular video we are having a look at damn insecure and vulnerable application. So currently we're at the challenge 3, which is insecure data storage, the first part. Now this is a lot similar or something which you have already learned in the video 8 of Android security for pentesters course by Security Tube Training, right? So if we have a look at the application, the insecure data storage part 1, it tells us to find out where the credentials are being stored and the vulnerable code, right? So, and it simply asks to enter the third party service username and the password, right? So let's try to enter something over here. We just simply write up Atify and security tube training and go ahead and save it, right? Now there are a couple of places where an application can store the data, and one of them being shared preferences. Now, even though shared preferences are not recommended to be used for sensitive information, a lot of developers end up using storing any kind of sensitive information in the shared preferences. And if you're already familiar with ADB or the Android debug bridge, you can find out the shared preferences at this location, which is /data/data, the package name and the shared prefs. So let's go ahead and maybe first have a look at the file responsible for storing the data. So I guess this should be the insecure data storage one. So let's look at it. And if you look here in the save credentials code block, it simply uses the preference manager and get default shared preferences and stores the username and password, right? And prints out that third party credentials have been saved successfully. So this is an indication that shared preferences are being used to store the data. Now let's go ahead and analyze the file system and look at the shared preferences. So we'll do a ADB shell and go to /data/data jacker.asim and go to the shared prefs, right? And if you look over here, there is a preferences.xml which is stored over here. And if you simply cat this file, you'll see that the username and password, which is Atify and security tube training, which is exact same thing which we saved over here, right? So this is how an application stores data in the shared preferences, and this is how you can access it. So that is all for this short video, and in the upcoming videos we'll have a look at the other ways of insecure data storage and so on. So thanks for watching the video, and if you have any feedback or queries, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter, which is ADI1391, or you can send me a mail at adi@atify.com. Thank you.